So my name is Dr. Chris Gubbels with Square One, and today we're going to start. This is our third of our Pedibond spinal rehab series. And what I'm going over is, this is a chair called the Wobble chair, and this is used for people that have low back problems, and it helps us get the disc more warmed up and prepared. So it makes the adjustments for the low back go a lot easier. But it also helps repair any disc tears or any it helps with like disc degeneration too. So there's a few things we're going to do here, and we're going to start off with some warm-up exercises. And the first one we're going to do is literally tilting the hips back and forth. And when I'm doing this, I'm just tilting all the way back and all the way forward. And I'll turn to the side so you can see it here. And what this is doing is putting a lot of motion in my low back joints, and it's helping get water back in there. So it's healing my disc. After I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go side to side. And I'm doing these warm-up ones about 10 times each, so maybe 5 to each side. After I do that, I'm going to actually bring my arms up here and do this. And that's doing the same thing, only it's getting a better stretch in my side, and it's hitting my low back disc at a slightly different angle. Once I'm done with these, what I'm going to do is do some side twisting. I'm just going to take my hands here, I'm just going to rotate to one side, then the other. I would usually have someone do about 5 of these each. And then once I'm done with the warm-ups, we're going to get into what's called the wobble. And in the wobble, it's a little tricky to pick up, but not too bad. And the best way to explain it is your body, your low pelvis is doing a figure 8. And when I do this, I'm going to start off, I'm going to pull my hips back to one corner, then push them out to the other side, and pull them back and push them out. And we just keep doing this back and forth. And what this is doing is putting a lot of motion in my low back. And imagine that this is 2 discs, the low back is doing this, back and forth. And it really helps hydrate all your discs in the back here. So we do this before and we do it after we get adjusted. Doing this at home about 8 to 10 minutes really helps people's low back stay healthy, and it helps heal any disc injuries with like disc tears, things like that. This is called the Wobble chair.